How to create a paid Ghana memorial, starting from the pricing page, choosing a package, applying a discount code, and completing payments using the available options in Ghana. So to begin, you visit the pricing page on Ghana Memorial. So this page displays all the available memorial packages and what each one includes. So what you need to do is to take a moment to review the packages available. So each plan offers different features such as more photos, videos, audios, stories, and long-term access. So you choose the package that best fits your family's needs. So as you can see from the screen, there are some packages that has the green check mark, and then others have the cancel check mark. So the one that has the cancel check mark means that once you subscribe to the package, you are not going to get access to a particular feature. But the ones that has a green check mark indicates that once you subscribe to that package, you have some features or all features available. Yes. So all you need to do is to take a moment to review the packages and then select the one that best fits your family. Yes. So once you've chosen a package, you select the plan to continue. So for instance, if I want to make payments on a premium budget, I select the plan to continue, and then if you already have an account, you log in. But if you are new, you create an account, and then when you create an account as a new user, you automatically receive a free memorial which can be upgraded to the plan you select here. Yes. So after logging in, you would have to review your selected package and then confirm your details. Also, if you have a discount code, you enter it right here at this button and then apply to update the price. But if you do not have a discount code, you can visit the dedicated discount code page or a tutorial we've created on our YouTube channel, and then you learn how discount codes work and then when they are available. Yes. So after all this, you choose your preferred payment method. So after selecting a plan, you choose your preferred payment method. So Ghana Memorial supports payment options commonly used in Ghana. That's the mobile money and then the credit card option. So you select your payment option and then you follow the instructions to complete the payment securely. So for instance, if you click on credit card, you are supposed to enter card details here. So after you select the payment button, if it is mobile money too you want to make payment to, you select mobile money, and then this pop-up notification comes where you enter your details. So once payment is successful, your memorial would be upgraded to the selected paid plan. So if you selected lifetime package, your memorial would be updated to have all these features under the lifetime package. So you can also start adding more photos, videos, and other content right away, or continue building your memorial over time right after choosing your preferred package. Yes. So that's how to create a paid Ghana Memorial starting from the pricing page. Thank you for watching.